The world's wealthiest billionaires are often the talk of the town, with their jaw-dropping fortunes and seemingly unlimited resources. But have you ever wondered how they've managed to accumulate such vast wealth? One crucial factor behind their success is their shrewd investment strategies. From tech giants to retail moguls, these billionaires have made some truly remarkable investments that have helped them solidify their positions at the top of the wealth ladder. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the 5 wealthiest billionaires and delve into their most significant investment moves, offering you an exclusive peek into the minds of some of the world's most successful business people. So buckle up and get ready to learn from the best. Number 5. Warren Buffett, $106 billion.
My partner, Charlie Munger, told me 50 years ago, he says, if you want to guarantee yourself a life of misery, marry somebody with the idea of changing them.
One of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett is referred to as the Oracle of Omaha. He is in charge of the investment conglomerate Berkshire Hathaway, which controls several businesses, including the food chain Dairy Queen, the battery manufacturer Duracell, and the insurance Geico. He initially purchased shares at age 11 and first filed taxes at age 13. In 2010, Buffett, Bill Gates, and Melinda French Gates established the Giving Pledge, which invited billionaires to pledge to donate half of their wealth to nonprofit organizations. Buffett has said that 99% of his wealth would be donated. So far, Bill has given the Gates Foundation and the foundations of his children $51.5 billion in Berkshire Hathaway stock. His fortune rose by $400 million in the month through April 1st, 2023. What are the top 5 holdings of Warren Buffett? According to Berkshire Hathaway's most recent report from November 2022, the 5 largest holdings were Apple, AAPL, Bank of America, BAC, Chevron Corporation, CVX, Coca-Cola Co., KO, and American Express Company, AXP. Number 4. Larry Ellison, $113.2 billion.
I think my favorite line is, I had all the disadvantages necessary for success.
Larry Ellison co-founded the software corporation Oracle in 1977 and served as its CEO until 2014. He currently holds the positions of Chairman and Chief Technology Officer. Oracle has throughout the years completed several large acquisitions, including the 2010 purchase of Sun Microsystems. Over the years, Ellison has spent his money on a variety of things, from yachts and planes to real estate and artwork. Ellison owns over 42% stake in Oracle, investments in Tesla, NetSuite, and impressive real estate assets. In December 2018, Ellison famously invested $1 billion in Tesla. The investment got him 3 million shares and a 1.7% stake in the company. In October 2019, Ellison invested $60 million in a venture round for Cosmos Tennis. Ellison has a large stake in real estate. He has a number of residences in California's Silicon Valley and Lake Tahoe. He also owns the majority of Lanai, a Hawaiian island. One of Larry Ellison's estates is the $3.9 million mansion in the affluent San Francisco district of Pacific Heights, together with the Epiphany Hotel in Palo Alto, California, which was valued at $71.6 million in 2015. He also owns a $200 million plus property in Woodside, California. Ellison is the owner of Japanese gardens, ranches, sections of coastline, and tennis courts. He also owns works by Pablo Picasso, Edvard Munch, and Andy Warhol, among others. Ellison has been known to spend millions of dollars on individual pieces, and his art collection is estimated to be worth over $500 million. For $300 million, Ellison acquired the Hawaiian island of Lanai in 2012. In 2020, he relocated to Lanai from California. From August 2018 until August 2022, Ellison served as a director of Tesla and invested in the automaker. Between March 1st and April 1st, 2023, the share price of Oracle rose by 7.5%, adding $6 billion to his wealth. Number 3. Jeff Bezos, $116.7 billion.
I want to thank every Amazon employee and every Amazon customer, because you guys paid for all of this.
In July 2021, Jeff Bezos, who created and has invested billions in the private rocket business Blue Origin, resigned as CEO of the world's largest online retailer Amazon, but continues to serve as chairman. The same month, he traveled to space aboard a rocket manufactured by Blue Origin. His wealth increased by $9 billion between March 1st and April 1st, 2023, as Amazon share prices increased 12%. Some of Jeff Bezos' most successful investments include Airbnb Inc., Uber Technologies Inc., Workday Inc., and Alphabet Inc. From 2018 through 2021, Bezos was the richest person in the world according to Forbes' list of the world's billionaires. However, in 2022, he fell to second place. He dropped to 4th richest but moved back to number 3 on January 25, 2023, as the fortune of India's Gautam Adani, formerly number 3 richest, fell. Bezos and his wife Mackenzie divorced in 2019, and as part of the agreement, she received 4% of Amazon shares while he retained 12%. Since then, he has sold more of his stock, leaving him with around 10% of the business. Forbes estimates that he has sold more than $27 billion worth of his shares since Amazon went public in 1997. He has made investments in a variety of businesses through his Bezos expeditions. Number 2, Elon Musk, $190.8 billion.
No, I am not evil, I just misunderstood.
Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter are all run by Musk, who also serves as CEO of the electric automobile manufacturer Tesla. Between stock and options, he owns 23% of Tesla, but he has given up more than half of that ownership to serve as collateral for loans. The majority of his wealth, about 2/3, comes from the automaker. He paid $44 billion for Twitter in October 2022, controls an estimated 74% of the social media firm, and its current value is less than half of what he spent. Through April 1st, 2023, his wealth increased by around $6 billion. Musk, a South African native who immigrated to Canada before turning 18, had several jobs before enrolling at Queen's University in Ontario. He then went to the University of Pennsylvania, where he received a bachelor's degree in economics. Musk's best investments include PayPal, SpaceX, DeepMind Technologies, Tesla, and The Boring Company. He created PayPal in 2000. By combining an online bank he co-founded called X.com with a company co-founded by Peter Thiel. eBay acquired PayPal in 2002 for $1.4 billion. At El Segundo, close to Los Angeles, he established SpaceX in 2002. He joined Tesla in 2004, a year after the company was created, as an investor and chairman, and he was eventually given the co-founder title. Tesla's CEO since 2008, Musk floated the business in 2010. In 2020 and 2021, its market capitalization increased dramatically. Musk gained the title of the richest man in the world in September 2021. His wealth reached its pinnacle at a whopping $320 billion in November 2021. Up until December 2022, when the value of Musk's fortune declined due to a decline in the share prices of Tesla, Musk remained the richest person in the world. Tesla stock has declined since its peak in November 2021. But between January 1st and March 31st, 2023, it increased by more than 90%. Number 1, Bernard Arnault, $201.8 billion.
I think we want to show that it's possible for big organizations, for large companies, to be close to startups and to help startups.
LVMH, the largest luxury goods firm in the world with around 70 fashion and cosmetic brands, is led by Bernard Arnault as CEO and chairman. Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Moet and Chanton, and Sephora are a few of its most well-known brands. Jewelry retailer Tiffany & Co. was purchased by LVMH for $15.8 billion. However, we do know that Bernard Arnault has made several high-profile purchases over the years. For example, he reportedly spent over $300 million to acquire a mansion in London's upscale Belgravia neighborhood in 2021. In 2019, he spent $100 million to purchase a luxury hotel on the Italian island of Capri. In addition, he has a significant art collection that includes works by Pablo Picasso. Arnault and LVMH own a 40% stake in private equity firm L Catterton. Bernard Arnault is also known for his philanthropic activities, and he has made significant donations to various causes over the years. For example, in 2019, he pledged 200 million euros to help rebuild Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Arnault's father amassed a fortune in the building industry, and he used $15 million of that wealth to launch his career by purchasing Christian Dior. All 5 of Arnault's kids are employed by various divisions of the LVMH group. Arnault nominated his daughter Delphine to lead Dior, the second largest brand in the company, and there you have it, the top 5 wealthiest people in the world. It's incredible to see what these individuals have achieved through their hard work, dedication, and innovation. From changing the way we use technology to revolutionizing the fashion industry, they have made an indelible mark on the world. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating individuals and their stories of success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.